What's going on, friends and family, and all your real ones out there? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael Wright, and I'm down to have some fun with you tonight. We're going to be talking about ChatGPT and how you can use ChatGPT to leverage your social media to help make better quality posts that more people are going to want to engage with, and to kind of help you grow your social media by using this AI technology to take whatever you have up in here in this little brain of yours and put it, bam, on paper so that everybody can kind of see where you at, what you're vibing with, maybe make a good connection. So if that's something you're into, let's get it popping. All right, here at the OnlineBusiness.App, we have something called an affiliate back office. Anybody that signs up to become a free affiliate will actually attain a back office that is full of basically an entire business in a box with digital information. And that information is designed to help you become more engaging with your content and more engaging with your followers. So, to give them better material, I'm going to go ahead and take some of the material out of here and use that for this lesson. Here in our affiliate back office, it defaults right here to our home page, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip over all of that. Right here, I'm going to go ahead, and click on the marketing materials. And now I'm going to go over here to the media library, and we're going to open that up. Now, inside this media library, we have an abundance of information, as you can see. See, a digital magnet or a lead magnet is important because it helps visualize the information that we are trying to convey to our people. I'm going to go ahead and pick out something from here, probably back up here. I think I found something I like. Here we are. Rarely do we realize we are stuck in our own bubble until trying to escape it. Well, Red Hoffman said that, and that is absolutely true. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to ChatGPT. I'm going to type this information in. I'm going to prompt ChatGPT right here. Bam. So, writing it in, it says, write a Facebook post expanding on this Chinese proverb. Rarely do we realize that we are stuck in our own bubble until trying to escape it. Now, it's important when you're using ChatGPT to go ahead and use these brackets when you really want to be specific, because that's how you are telling it, or it recognizes what you are trying to say. So by doing that and hitting enter, then this is what it came back up with right here. Just came across this Chinese proverb that is really resonating with me. Rarely do we realize we are stuck in our own bubble until trying to escape it. It is so true that we often become comfortable in our own little worlds and forget to step outside of them. It is easy to get caught up in our own beliefs, values, and perspectives and forget that there are other ways of thinking, living. It is important to challenge ourselves to break out of our bubbles and seek out new experiences, ideas, and people. Whether it's traveling to a new place, reading a book from a different culture, or simply having a conversation with someone who has a different perspective, it is important to actively seek opportunities to broaden our horizons and expand our understanding of the world. So, let's remember this Chinese proverb and make a conscious effort to break out of our bubbles and embrace the diversity and richness of the world around us. You know what? That was pretty spot on. So what I would do here is I would go ahead and highlight all of this right here. Make sure we get it all. Right click, hit copy. I come over to one of my social media up here. And here we are. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste this in. All right, guys, I went ahead and pasted all of that information inside here. I added this, hey, real ones, because I want to engage with my people. And, if you're a real one, you're reading this, you understand. Now, I went ahead and I was feeling kind of blessed tonight, so I went ahead and pop that in on the post. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here, and I pasted in the lead magnet. So we're going to go ahead and post this right here. All right, guys, you can see. Here it is. Everything came across right here. The whole entire thing. Now, to help promote your affiliate online business. I personally don't put the link for the affiliate into this information because this information is engaging. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to like my own post. I'm going to go ahead and create a comment, and that's where I'm going to go back up into our affiliate back office. And I'm going to go ahead and click on our home page to make things as easy as possible. I'm going to go ahead and copy the referral link right here. And I'm going to go back to Facebook, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that link in the comments, hit enter, and there it is. So now we just went ahead and we put out a nice, beautiful comment right here. It's well engaging. We had the sticker or the lead magnet that it came from that has all of that pertinent information that ties everything in together when someone reads it. And then if they want to go ahead and leave a comment, that's where I put information about the OnlineBusiness.App, where you can save, win, and earn cash every single Saturday at 10 a.m., which I encourage all of you guys to attend to learn something new. It doesn't cost you anything. It is at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time every Saturday. Go ahead and click that link below. It is free to sign up. And when you sign up, you go ahead and get on this Zoom call with hundreds of other people from all over the world, and it is a pretty amazing event. So I hope this was informational. I hope you guys have fun tonight. If there's anything else you guys would like to see me do, or is there anything else you would like to learn, go ahead and leave me a couple of comments right there. Comment below, like and subscribe if this is something you had a little fun with tonight. Also, I wanted to say, hey, thank you all for kicking it with the big dog tonight. And, we'll catch you on the next one.